Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. And hello again to everyone looking for an amazing look. Today, I'm coming at you with a topic that just might change your life: how to dress in the old money style. This trend is not just a fashion statement, it's a lifestyle. If you want to feel both comfortable and stylish in any setting, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing a ton of tips, from classic outerwear to neutral colors, high-quality fabrics, and minimalist accessories. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. The old money style isn't about flaunting wealth, it's about representing a timeless and elegant stance. This style is all about mastering the art of looking chic without standing out too much. So, if you're ready to adopt this style, there are a few essential elements you'll want to pay close attention to. Now, let's take a look at the first steps in mastering this look. 1. Timeless outerwear. One of the most important elements of the old money style is undoubtedly outerwear. Our first tip: invest in timeless outerwear. This fall, aim to get yourself a high-quality coat or trench coat. These pieces not only keep you warm in the cold, but also add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. A good coat is an investment you can wear for years. The right combination of outerwear can instantly elevate your overall look. Plus, outerwear is one of those pieces that define your entire outfit, no matter the style you're going for. Now, let's take a look at how you can put this tip into practical use. Opt for a coat in neutral tones with clean lines. Colors like camel, charcoal, or classic black work beautifully. These shades reflect both elegance and simplicity. For a perfect match, pair your coat with a cozy sweater and high-waisted pants. Don't forget to add a stylish scarf in winter. This way, you'll stay warm and add an extra layer of chic to your look. Here's a game-changing tip that will transform your wardrobe: a coat made of quality fabrics will always make you look more stylish. The quality of the fabric in outerwear makes a huge difference, not only in appearance, but also in durability. A high-quality outerwear piece won't just enhance your look, it'll impact how you feel as well. 2. Neutral and earth tones. Our second tip is to focus on neutral and earth tones. At the core of the old money style is this color palette. Shades like white, beige, olive green, and navy offer a calm and elegant look. When combined with different styles, these colors reflect both sophistication and simplicity. Neutral tones can be easily combined with each other and help you look stylish in any setting. You can create a wide variety of outfits with a limited number of pieces. Plus, these colors adapt easily to seasonal changes. For example, in the fall, earth tones blend beautifully with the natural colors of the season, making you look even more stylish. You could pair an olive green sweater with beige pants. This combo can make you look elegant in both casual and formal settings. Add a brown bag to create a harmonious look. You can also use different shades within the same color palette to achieve a layered look. What do you say? Ready to diversify your wardrobe by using these colors? By choosing neutral tones, you can create chic outfits that work effortlessly in any environment. And don't forget, another important point here is fit. When every piece fits your body just right, your overall look becomes even more stunning. 3. Elegant and tailored pieces. Our third tip: invest in elegant, tailored pieces. Clean, sharp lines always present a refined look. In old money fashion, structured and high-quality cuts are key. A well-tailored blazer or high-waisted trousers can make you look sharp in both formal and casual settings. Tailored pieces hug your body perfectly, creating a more striking silhouette. Working with a tailor to find the perfect fit can completely change your shopping experience. The perfect blazer can elevate even the simplest t-shirt. You can also create a great outfit by pairing it with a pencil skirt. When selecting tailored clothes, make sure to choose cuts that suit your body type. The right fit is everything. Have you ever tried working with a tailor? Finding cuts that suit your body can truly boost your style. A friend of mine worked with a tailor to personalize her clothes, and as a result, she experienced a major transformation in her overall look. Having this kind of experience can help you discover your own style. 4. High-quality fabrics. Our fourth tip is to prioritize high-quality fabrics. The old money style is about offering a sense of luxury without being flashy. High-quality fabrics enhance both the look and feel of your clothes. Good fabrics are not just about appearance, they offer great comfort and durability, too. Wool, cashmere, and fine cotton fabrics are always excellent choices. These materials aren't just long-lasting, they also make you feel more luxurious. Avoid low-quality fabrics. For example, a wool sweater will not only keep you warm but also offer an elegant look. When you invest in high-quality clothing, you'll notice a big difference in both your appearance and how you feel. As a real success story, a friend of mine adopted the old money style and gained more confidence in both her professional and social life. When we went shopping together, I realized just how important it is to choose the right fabrics. When you prioritize quality, you'll feel more satisfied in the long run. Would you like to experience a transformation like this? 5. Classic footwear. Our fifth tip: invest in classic footwear. Shoes are one of the most important parts of your overall look. The right shoes complete your style and enhance your entire outfit. Well-crafted leather shoes go with any outfit and elevate your elegance. Choosing the right shoes is critical as they complement your clothing and play a crucial role in defining your overall image. Loafers, ankle boots, or classic heels should be staples in your wardrobe. Loafers are a great option for everyday wear, offering both comfort and style. Ankle boots provide both warmth and sophistication during fall's colder days. And of course, classic heels will always remain timeless. How do you choose your shoes? You should prioritize both style and comfort. High-quality shoes will ensure long-lasting wear. 6. Minimalist accessories. Our final tip is to lean toward minimalist accessories. In old money style, elegant and simple pieces are preferred without going over the top. Why is this important? Minimalist accessories balance your overall look and enhance your elegance. By avoiding flashy items, you let your style speak for itself. Add thin gold or silver jewelry, a simple leather bag, and a silk scarf to complete your look. When choosing accessories, always prioritize simplicity. This way, you can add elegance without overwhelming your overall look. Have you ever tried creating a minimalist outfit? Sometimes, the smallest details can make the biggest difference. A minimalist approach not only enhances your style but also gives you a timeless look. In conclusion, adopting the old money style is a great way to create an understated but powerful sense of elegance. By enriching your wardrobe with high-quality outerwear, neutral tones, tailored pieces, quality fabrics, classic footwear, and minimalist accessories, you can look effortlessly chic in any setting. So, what do you say about reshaping your wardrobe with the tips I've shared? Share your own experiences with me, and who knows, maybe I'll feature them in my next video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video with more style tips. Remember, style is a journey, and it's amazing to share that journey with you all. See you next time.